When it comes to the Lowrance's Active Target, the settings are relatively simple the way they come default from the factory. There's just a few things to keep in mind, and the most important part is your range and your depth. Out here on Sakakawea, I'm fishing, say, that 50 feet or less, but I'm really targeting the water that's probably 40 feet or less. But I have my depth set to 50 feet or so. And then next, the range. I like to run at least 100 feet, if not 120, out in front of the boat for when I'm scanning. At the end of the day, these deeper fish, I can kind of get right on top of them a little bit more, so it's not as crucial of, say, the fish that are in shallower water that are a lot more spooky. And then sliding into your contrast. The contrast is basically your sensitivity. I generally take it off of auto, and I run anywhere from 78 to say 82. Lastly, you know, the shading, I generally go with a color palette 3, in which it gives it some shading. And lastly with this, I always have stable view on. Stable view just really balances out your picture, stabilizes it just like it says, especially in those rougher and wavier conditions.